So I'm trying to figure it out, this map, but I think we want to go there. Hold your breath until we get to them, okay? Oh. You're holding your breath? Don't die, because if not, we will crash.
It didn't work.
Ready? So I am in the South Creek, right? See this? See, must be really cold. It's in big trees in Calaveras County in northern California, where these trees, the big ones, huge one, Sequoias are. So we're walking there. You were saying? So trees are starting to get bigger. Around here we have been walking around 15 minutes probably. Are you feeling Clancy?
Better now the trees are bigger. I'm American, I want everything big.
Yeah. Oversized. Even the trees. So this one is the biggest that we have seen so far. Oh, he's so cute. So amazing, this one. And these two look like the twin towers. So we have found like 3 huge trees. Look at this size. But I don't know how old they are. So we're Googling how old these trees are.
We're using technology to get closer to nature. The stump in the beginning of the trail is 1,244 years old.
Oh my god, 1,000?
Yeah.
Yes. Blueberries. Would you eat them if you're like starving?
No, definitely not.
Look what we found. Whoa, this is huge. Oh my god.
Never to be seen again.
So cool. Come and look. Come here, it looks so cool. There's like a creek. Wow, we can meditate here with the sounds of the water. Okay, some people just tell us that there's a black bear. And this dude wants to see it.
No, you go in front of me so we can go see it.
What do you mean?
And if you see it, you can point at it for me and I can look at it from over here.
Oh my God. What happened if he attacked us? What we should do?
We'll just die.
No, really.
No, just die. Get it over. Just let him kill you so you don't have to suffer.
Hey, I don't know. Fuck.
Jesus Christ, we won't even make it to the bear at this rate.
I don't know what to do if a bear comes. And to be honest, I cannot talk because if not, we will not see the bear. I have to be. So we never see the bear. We're still looking for it. We have been walking like, what, 2 hours? More of that. And right now we're walking to see the last tree that it's called.
Look, there he is.
What? The bear.
Like how you don't even care at all. You're like, what is bear? What? Back to your phone. We're gonna die.
We're trying to get to that tree, but we have been walking and we don't see it. I'm a little bit afraid of the light. How much hours of light we have?
A lot less than you'd think.
Shall we go back?
Let's go 2 more minutes.
Okay. We found it! So we find that the last part of the trail is done and it's 5:30. I think we have like 1 hour maybe of light. So we're gonna go back. It has been amazing. I already hugged it to get all of the energy, and we have to run back.
Alright, Mr. Bear, we're coming through. Excuse us, Bear.
Oh my God.
He didn't make much noise when he took off, which makes me think he might be down the trail. We saw the bear.
We saw the bear. We saw it super close, and I get super scared. Wow. It was like, I don't know, he was grabbing something in the way, and it wasn't that big. I feel that it was like my size, a little bit smaller. Right?
Probably your size, but 400 pounds.
Uh-huh. Wow. We did it. Oh my God. We saw it. A black bear. 6:13. The sun is going down and we're in the last part of the trail. Look at the stick that I took.
That's the stick you're gonna hit the bear with?
We made it. We made it, and now we're starving. What are we gonna eat?
Let's go buy some bear meat.
No! So, look what I made. I'm gonna show you. I made, this is a mix of peaches with grapes, coconut, mulberries, and goji berries, superfoods. Woohoo! Did you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty cool.
Very cool.
Big trees?
Yes, the trees are big.
The trees are really huge. It's really cool. We walk a lot of hours. Pretty cool.